As we all know, there are many electric bikes being released in India. Are they capable of making it? So today we'll be reviewing one of them, the yulu Miracle. So let's begin. Hi guys, today I'm going to take the review of the new yulu electric scooter. This has been coming in Bangalore since so many months. This is fully electric powered. I think the top speed is about 40 kilometers per hour. It is solar chargeable, so there's nothing much to do about the charge. It has an automatic headlamp which switches on in the night. And its acceleration is good as I have driven it, but then the top speed is not so impressive. But the braking is very good. Though as you can see, the bike is really tiny. There's only one seat and it's just like a cycle powered by a pair of batteries. This shows the battery level and the speedometer. Then this is the seat. This is a tail light. It has quite small wheels. There's no side stand as you can see. There's only a main center stand. The wheels are too tiny, but the brakes are excellent. And there you have a footrest, a seat, a handle-like thing, so that you can fill it. This is a center stand, and it has a good lock mechanism. And like this, and just push it down. It will come down. Then just have a seat. You can go wherever you want without any carbon emissions. So I think this is towards a brighter future, and this is good for us, so that we don't rely more on petrol and other conventional sources of energy. Rather, we rely on non-renewable sources of energy and have a cleaner earth. And this is towards a brighter future, basically. So let's see how is it to ride. So let's just select. This is the back brake. This is the front brake. This tiny part is an accelerator. This is the battery level. Shows the battery level. And that's it. And here we have horn. And I will show it to you at the end of the video how to unlock it. What happens if you don't pay for it and just go push it out? What happens? And then there are two ways to unlock this race. One is by scanning this QR code over here, or you can enter the number of the bike in your yulu app. So you have to download the yulu app for that. So let's see how's the Miracle. Oh, I forgot to tell this guys, this is called the Miracle and the cycle is called Move. So let's see how it's to ride. It's got quite a hard seat. So let's go. So the drive test is done. Now let's put the stand back on. Now I would like to show you how you can use the stand, push it down, some weight, and that's done. So now I would like to talk about the drive. It was quite good actually. The acceleration was instantaneous, but the speed was not good actually. It's not enough. But then for the traffic nowadays, it's quite good. So we anyway don't go about more than 40 kmph in the day-to-day city traffic. So this is excellent for the cities, and it gives a quite lot of mileage. Like you can go for charging about full charge about 60 kilometers and plus, and which happens in very less time full charge. Now this bike is currently at 20% of charge, but then if you run about for 10 kilometers, 10 to 15 kilometers, then what else to say about this bike? It's great. but it's too small. That's the only problem. So that shouldn't be a problem. But it doesn't reflect much at the drive. And as you saw, the braking is excellent. I had braked over there and just stopped. So the braking is excellent. The acceleration is great. The as I said, the only thing was the speed, but then that's not so important, as in the traffic we need very less. One thing is it's small and it has an advantage also. We can just go in the middle of the hectic traffic. No need to wait for anyone to move. So now I'm going to pause this, and it's just click of a button, confirm, and there's some price for the pause. And the other great feature is you can pause the ride the whole night, and it just charges about 90 rupees, and that's great. And it's from 6 p.m. to 10 a.m. and I would like to confirm it's just 15 rupees. Okay. Another thing is the suspension is quite okay, but then it is a bit stiff. It bounces. Now let's see what happens. What happens when we pass the ride and just someone comes like wants to steal your bike? That is the response, and that's a very great feature of this bike. Now I would like to show you how to resume the ride. There's a button, resume the ride, confirm, and that's the answer the bike gives to you. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.